Are you see owning assets, real estate assets, investment in your own personal name? You can actually invest in properties, you can invest in assets, whichever asset you want to invest in your company's name. And I mean in your limited liability company's name, not your business or enterprise, because those are two different entities. Once your limited liability company has been registered, it becomes a separate entity distinct from its owner. It has a legal personality and it is recognized under the law as a legal person capable of owning assets, owning properties, even executing contracts in its own name. That is the reason why if you have a company or you have different companies, it is very, very important that you make sure that these companies own assets in its own name so that it does not affect your personal assets, your personal investment as an individual. And this is to actually isolate any form of risk. For example, if you have an issue with one of the companies that you operate or you own or you manage, and if at all the investment and the assets of that company was under your own personal name, under your own personal assets, then you stand a chance of losing everything that you have as an individual. However, if all these assets are under that company's name, the company that has an issue, that has a lawsuit or has a problem related to compliance or whatever, you know that it's only the assets under that company that is going to be affected. And that is also why it is important to always separate your business asset from your personal asset. Don't be scared to actually diversify your income. If you operate different companies today, ensure that your companies have its own investment, have its own assets, have its own contracts being executed in the company's name. I hope you learned one or few things in this video. Don't forget to share this video to whoever you think is going to be helpful to, and follow us for more.